Hey guys, what is up? This is Ed Gunson here with another video, and today I'm recording fireworks. It's a fireworks show. It's a big fireworks show. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. This is awesome. Oh, we put Wendy in the basement because the fireworks scares her, so we put her in the basement when my brother is in there as well with her. Oh my god. This is utter madness. It's beautiful. The lights show. Oh my god. Ah, it's beautiful. The fireworks show. And there's more fireworks in the background, but you can't really see it. This is awesome. We're gonna... The fireworks, yay! That one right there, it looks like something. It reminds me a lot like something. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, didn't see those ones. Fireworks. Lots of fireworks. Why does the fireworks remind me of something? It remind me of a game. And that one is an interrupt. We'll go to more. And it's a lot of fireworks. Rapid fire time. It's rapid fire now. Rapid fire. You can't really hear me that well because of all the sound of the fireworks right in it. I'll try my best. Trying my absolute best. Last sound. That one was an interesting shape. That one was loud. There's that beautiful fireworks. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm gonna make part 2 of this video. Just gonna upload this video and hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and peace out.